Put it around your wrist. Hey guys, this is Matt, and as you can see here, I have a bird. Now, we're walking around, show the camera over there, and this bird was stumbling in the bushes, and it was bleeding out. So we quickly grabbed him up, put his wings around, and wrapped him up so he wouldn't struggle, and so blood would not gush out. Right now, we're trying to save him. We're going to work on him some more.
He doesn't even have a toe.
Yeah, he does, right there.
Matthew, he only has one toe.
As you can see right there. Uh-oh.
What the heck is happening?
As you can see there's the wound.
He only has like one toe.
And the blood was coming through on here. So when he struggles, he does pretty bad. He's on his stomach right now. I'm trying to get him to calm down, but he keeps biting his toe for some reason. I'm not a bird doctor, obviously. I'm just bird hunter. And I'll tell you right now, I did not hit this bird. I seen him flocking around. I tried to, but I didn't. And I know it was wrong of me. I shouldn't have, but
some people just put other people out of their misery.
See, I don't know. He's not doing in too bad a condition. As you can see, his eyes opening and shutting. I don't know. He's really fidgeting now. I don't know if he needs to be put out of his misery, or if we should just let him heal. I'm thinking we should just let him heal, because I don't really want to put this guy out of his misery.
I don't want him to die in pain.
I know.
Please, I bet he's in a lot of pain right now.
He looks like it. I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh, told you. His leg was nearly...
No, because look.
Matthew, most of his foot is gone. There's only like one toe.
Nope, there's his whole leg.
Wait, his toes are still there?
Yeah, he just has a gimp leg. But see, I don't understand why he's bleeding. Now this bird's going to try and bite me. Oh, stay calm. Alright, give him room. Give him room. Back off. Poor guy. Oh, stop moving. Stop moving, buddy. You're going to bleed. Don't move. Stop, please.
Stop it.
Stop, please. Please, no. Stop.
Stop it. Stop it. You're going to die.
Let him go.
Stop it.
Let him see where he's going.
Oh my God, he's trying to go somewhere. Okay, I think you better stop now. Don't bleed out anymore.
We're going to use up the rest of my film, so we'll catch you in a bit. Hey guys, this is part 2 of video 1. And I'm holding this bird right now, because when he was struggling around, he was bleeding. So I'm just holding him right now. Hopefully he will live. But he is wounded right down there somewhere, because he was bleeding. And I'm hoping that it's not internal, because that could be very bad. It was a lower wound. It looks like a BB shot or a pellet, but probably a BB. But we found him struggling around over there, that funeral home, the white garage way over there. That's David, who's getting some bird seeds. Bring it down here and show me. Alright, put it on the ground over here. Alright, good.
Oh God, it's Matthew, the one trying to spread it.
Now we have them wrapped up, and I'm working very gently with them. Oh, he's struggling. Alright, gotta calm down, buddy. Calm down, calm down.
Calm down.
Alright, he's calm again. You're gonna have to film this. Put it around your wrist.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Crap.
Don't struggle. We should also have worms with us.
Bring the camera over this.
1 minute 43 seconds. Follow it. Come on.
All this footage.
No.
David, this is real.
I'm sorry.
Walk slowly. Keep the camera on him. Stop struggling. Stop struggling.
Stop struggling. Quit struggling. That's where I got the bird seed. 2 minutes, 15 seconds.
Alright.
This is the real deal, ladies and gentlemen. The real deal. Isn't that right, Matt?
That is correct. We do have a bird in injury.
That we found all the way over there.
While working with the dogs, which you'll later see. I'm posting videos of. Alright, let's
This
go.
is the real thing, ladies and gentlemen. The real thing. Oh my God. This is the first bird we ever saw injured. Well, not exactly.
Come get footage of him.
Oh my God. 3 minutes, 15 seconds.
Look, get the footage. You're not getting it.
He doesn't look camera shy.
No, but now he's a movie star.
Famous. Uh-oh, he's struggling.
No, he's eating his.
I was just gonna pet him.
Keep the camera on him. Alright, turn it off. Alright, we'll tune you in again.
Bye-bye.
Oh, he was sleeping. The bird was just sleeping. We just came to bring him into the garage. Yeah, you got him. It's Olive. That's her name.
Hi, Olive.
Huh, that's cute. She was sleeping there. Oh, look, she took a crap on this bread.
Oh, that's gross.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna film her all night. Olive, you're too cute. With my art, Olive. Can I hold her? Here. Let me get this right here. Come on. Come on, Olive. You're a good bird. She's a very nice bird.
It's cute.
She was just trying to stay warm.
It's hungry.
Keep her right in front of you so it can keep filming.
Yeah, she's hungry.
She's got bread. Alright, here, put her in here. So that we can build her a little paper towel nest so she can stay warm during the night.
That's hard.
It's alright. Bird needs stale bread.
Yeah.
Like this. No, like this. Don't.
Where were you putting the bed?
All I'm doing is making one right now. All I do is get a whole bunch of paper towels. Squish them up, and then you go like this. And we'll even give it a little cozy. Don't put her in yet. Not like that. Well, yeah, we're gonna need a hole in there. Like, go like. Don't get her yet.
Don't get her yet? Okay.
We don't have a bed in there yet.
I know, she's gonna hold her.
Well, I need the camera to stay on her right now. Okay, let's get this.
Oh, she's got yellow on her.
Yeah, chickadee. Finch thingy.
Olive. Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Look at that.
Oh.
Cute little box chest.
Put another paper towel in.
Yeah, keep an extra one. Fold it in half. Tuck it in.
Will she be able to have enough room?
Oh yeah, just
Let's set her in there.
hang on, let me get the camera.
Come here, Olive.
There.
Nice and cozy.
She's nice and snug and cozy again.
Here, you want a headband to put her?
And then we'll feed her in the morning. So let's get some bread chunks that haven't been crapped on yet. Yeah, rip off some of the corner pieces. Or should we just get her some fresh bread?
We should get her some fresh.
Alright, you want to go in there or just wash her with the camera? I'll go get the bread.
Okay, here, I'll set this right here. Little blanket. Oops, sorry, Olive.
Keep her house extra warm. Just keep the...
Olive, can you see? Olive, what are you doing? Oh, sweetie. You all snug and tight? Here's some bread. We are such good parents.
Look at her, she's so cute. Okay, Olive. That's enough, because we'll feed her in the morning.
Say goodnight, Olive.
Keep focused on her.
Olive.
Okay, guys. Sad day today. Olive passed away last night in her bunker. I don't know how she died. It could have been from infection. You're blocking the view. This isn't funny.